What up, everybody? Let's unbox this Arctic Air Freedom wearable air cooler and purifier. What a complicated name. It's a neck fan, a fan you wear around your neck. Let's see what's in the box. Everything is packaged in this bubble wrap, and we've got some paperwork which is not in English. So next, we also have the charging cable. It's a micro USB charging cable. This is the fan with the air vents at the top and a power button on the right side. The fan has 3 adjustable speed: slow, medium, and fast, and the air cools the faster the speed. It's a cool gadget, excuse the pun. It's lightweight and it's portable. And you can see here on the side, that's where the charging port is. And it's very flexible at the top to adjust to your neck. I won't lie though, the sound is a bit disappointing because it does get loud, and it being right next to your ears can be annoying. It almost feels like you're in an airplane. But other than that, for 175 Rand on Takealot, it's not bad.